for an Apple Mac these days? Let's have a look. MacBook Pro. Okay, so let's do a price buy. Let's go for it. £5,999 UK price to buy an Apple Mac. Let's configure the price and see what we get. Let's go for 2.0 gigahertz. Let's go for 1.5 terabyte. Let's go for 8 terabyte storage. Let's go for 2 Radeon Pro W6800X Duo 64 gig RAM. Oh, that was a mouthful. Let's go for Apple Afterburner card. I'm not sure what that is. Sounds a bit dodgy if you ask me. Magic Mouse and Magic Trackpad at 149. Let's go for Final Cut Pro because we need to edit all the amazing videos on our big massive video, on our big massive iMac, sorry. We've got our Mac Logic Pro, and our total figure is, hang on a minute, there's more. Let's go for Nano Texture Glass. Let's go for a Pro Stand. Let's go for a mouse adapter. And our total price is £59,009.98. Now, the average price of a UK property is £250,000. I would say that's a down payment of an Apple Mac for a property in the UK. Would you agree or disagree? Would you agree? Shout out.
Yeah.
Would you disagree? No. So, students, you better start saving up your pennies for that £59,000 Apple Mac. Thanks for watching.